Come on. Come on. Come on, mate.
Come on. This is Bolt. Never been on a walk in his life. Move out the way, you two. Having to resort. Are you resorting to driving him?
Drop it, Alicia.
Bo, it's a lead. It's not going to hurt you. You're not eating it. God, he really doesn't want it, does he? Alicia, stop it. Look at them eyes, babe.
Let's see.
Maybe pick him up, carry him outside, put him down outside, see what he does.
Let's go. Too big for this, mate.
What?
Move out of the way, baby.
Let's see if I does. You won't walk. Oh my god. Oh, Mommy, please put that on YouTube. Mommy, put it on YouTube when you finish. Mommy, put it on YouTube when you're done.
Come on.
Alright, baby.
Come on.
Okay, cool.
Baby, move. Baby, go in. Bolt.
Come on.
That's going to come off his head.